Hello, this is my young adult book project. I read the first part last by Angela Johnson. So quickly about the author. She's an award-winning author of over 40 books and has been published since 1989. She's particularly known for the celebration of African American culture, relationships, and history. She's written a multitude of picture books as well as young adult novels. The first part last by Angela Johnson follows the main character Bobby, who's a single teen father. The book alternates between then chapters, which follow the events of the teen pregnancy, and now chapters, which follow Bobby's struggles as a single teen father and reveal that the mother Nia is no longer in the picture, which we don't find out why until the end. In the end, it's revealed that Nia suffered from eclampsia and she's now living in a nursing home after having suffered severe brain damage. Although they had originally decided to put the baby up for adoption, Bobby would not sign the adoption papers once Nia went into a coma. He decided to keep the baby, which he named Feather, and raised her by himself. So in the then chapters, we see Nia's pregnancy, so it goes all the way from when she told Bobby that she was pregnant, and we see how their relationship works. They're obviously both really scared, but they both love each other a lot, and they stay together throughout the whole pregnancy. And then in the now chapters, we see Bobby raising Feather all by himself, and he's exhausted, but we see in the end when they reveal Nia is in a coma why he does it, because Feather is really the last thing he has of Nia, who he loves so much. Would I recommend this book? I would absolutely recommend this book to anyone who is a young adult or older. It really provides a genuine, honest look at how difficult it is to be a single teen father. Not only that, but it also deals with more heavy moral issues and complicated themes, which encourage critical thinking, although it is a shorter novel with more simple language. So it deals with family, masculinity, unwanted teen pregnancy, disability, responsibility, etc. And then my favorite quote from the novel was, "If the world were really right, humans would live life backward and do the first part last. They would be all-knowing in the beginning and innocent in the end." Thank you so much for listening.